This is Saxon making Pouding Chomeur. Today I'm going to be cooking a dish called Pouding Chomeur à la rub, or Maple Unemployed Pudding. Pouding Chomeur was originally created during the Great Depression by factory workers who had lots of people to feed and little ingredients. Pouding Chomeur was made with stale bread and brown sugar sauce. They baked it until a golden caramelized crust formed on the top. Even with the criticizing name, Pouding Chomeur gave comfort and energy to those who needed it. After 1939, people switched out the stale bread with buttery thick batter, maple syrup, and cream. Today you can find this dish in the fanciest restaurants in Montreal, but to many Quebecers it will always be a symbol of traditional home cooking passed down for generations, from their grandmothers to mothers, as a way to remember the busy women in the factory who made it from very basic ingredients. This week I met a French-Canadian woman who confirmed that Pouding Chomeur was a very popular comfort food in Francophone culture. Like I said, originally this recipe used brown sugar, but in 1939 it was switched to maple syrup. I'm going to use the maple syrup version. I'm going to start with the sauce while my oven preheats. Basically what you do for the sauce is you whisk together cream and maple syrup over the heat until it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you pour it into a greased baking dish. For the cake, in a small bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, and salt together. Set it aside. And measure the milk in a cup and mix in the vanilla extract. Set it aside. Now, in a large bowl, we're going to mix in the butter and the sugar until it's fluffy. That should be good. Now we're going to crack the eggs and beat them into the mixture. Now we're going to put in half the dry ingredients in the milk, mixing it slowly. And then the last bit of the dry ingredients and mix just until it's combined. going to gently spoon our batter onto the sauce. Now we're going to put the mixture in the oven for about 45 minutes and we'll see how it works, or how it looks. Moment of truth. The sauce absorbed more than I expected to, but I guess we'll see how it tastes. Tastes kind of like a sweet pancake with like a crust on top and ice cream. It tastes pretty good. I'm gonna start with the sauce while my oven preheats. First what you do is basic. Okay. I'm gonna start with my sauce. This recipe also makes a great shower straw.
The recipe.
When I make these to sell them at the craft fair, I usually put preservatives in. Preservatives. Okay, no, these need to restart. That was. Okay, again.
Ready, and we pop some of the molds. That was a blooper.